Mag-multiply ng numbers from 11 to 19 in 3 seconds or less gamit ang mental math technique na ito. Let's have our first example. 12 times 13. Take note that all multiplication pairs from 11 to 19 ay mayroong 3-digit na product. Ang first 2 digits sa ating sagot ay equal sa sum ng first number at ang last digit ng second number. That is 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15. Para naman sa last digit ng ating sagot, we simply multiply the last digits ng ating mga numbers. That is 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And that's it. 12 times 13 is equal to 156. Ngayon, subukan mo ay solve ito in 3 seconds or less. 11 times 14. Your timer starts now. Nakuha mo ba ang tamang sagot? Mahusay! Ngayon, try natin mag-solve ng mas challenging na multiplication pair. 16 times 19. Ang first 2 digits sa ating sagot ay ang sum ng unang number at ang last digit ng second number. That is, 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. Para naman sa last digit ng ating sagot, we simply get the product of the last digits ng ating mga numbers. That is 6 times 9, which is equal to 54. Since meron tayong 2-digit na sagot, we will carry the other one to the next. Isulat natin ang 4 sa last spot at carry natin ang 5. Then add natin ang 5 and 5 which is equal to 10. Isulat natin ang 0 sa gitna at carry ang 1. Finally, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And that's it. 16 times 19 is equal to 304.